quite understandable that everyone wonders how to make the most of ChatGPT. And they're quite right to do so. You can even make money with OpenAI's revolutionary AI tool, ChatGPT. As a first step, you need to understand how ChatGPT works as a concept. Compared to conventional search engines, artificial intelligence tools perform in a very different way. Obviously, in order to be revolutionary, this technology must be able to comprehend the nuances of human language, as it's capable of being taught to understand them. That's why in today's video, we're gonna tell you some of the best and probably safest ways in which you can earn money using ChatGPT. So make sure to watch this entire video. You see, one thing you may already know is the fact that ChatGPT is an AI language model, which can't directly help you make money by using it, but rather it provides a way to complement your efforts. There are, however, a few ways you can use ChatGPT to help you potentially make money using the tool. So let's start with number 1, research and learning. ChatGPT is a very versatile platform, and it can be used in a number of different ways that can be leveraged to earn money, including conducting research in a particular area and gaining knowledge on a particular topic. If you use ChatGPT to gain insight into a particular industry or topic, you'll be able to make better informed decisions about your career or business endeavors. For example, if you're an entrepreneur who wants to launch a new product, you can use ChatGPT to analyze the trends in the market and consumer preferences, which can help inform the development of your new product and your marketing strategy. You can also use ChatGPT if you're a content creator or a journalist, as it can be used for research and fact-checking, which can help you create more accurate and valuable content that can potentially attract a bigger audience and have a higher income generation potential. Number 2, content creation. Another way by which you could use ChatGPT to potentially make money is by generating ideas for content creation by using it as a creative tool. Using ChatGPT as a method of generating headlines and topics for articles, blog posts, and social media posts, you may be able to create content that will resonate more with your audience and attract more engagement by creating content that will attract more visitors. In turn, this can potentially result in increased traffic to your website or social media channels, which in turn can open up opportunities for advertising and sponsorship. For example, if you run a fashion blog, you might find that ChatGPT is the perfect tool to assist you in coming up with ideas for fashion-related content, which can help you attract a more diverse audience as well as generate income through affiliate marketing or sponsored posts. Number 3, customer service. As a business owner or a provider of a service, you may be able to use ChatGPT in order to provide automated customer service to your clients. You can easily automate responses to common questions from your customers by integrating ChatGPT into your website or messaging platform. This can increase customer satisfaction and lead to repeat customers for your business. For example, if you're running an e-commerce store, you can use ChatGPT to set up an automated chatbot that can be used to provide your customers with product recommendations, order tracking, or returns information. The advantage of this is that you might be able to save time and resources on customer service, while also improving the customer experience and possibly generating more sales as a result. And finally, number 4, chatbot development. If you have skills in programming, you might be able to build a chatbot that can assist customers with a variety of different tasks using ChatGPT. If you develop chatbots powered by ChatGPT, you'll be able to create more intelligent, natural-sounding, and personalized chatbots, which can be used to provide you with a more proactive and helpful customer service in the future. Additionally, you may also be able to generate income through consulting fees and licensing fees by selling or licensing your chatbot technology. For example, if you develop a chatbot that can assist customers in booking travel or making appointments, you might be able to sell this technology to businesses that offer similar services to yours. The bottom line is that ChatGPT is not directly going to help you make money, but if you use it for the right reasons, it can be an invaluable tool in helping you gain knowledge, generate ideas, provide customer service, and develop chatbot technology, which will hopefully lead to income-generating opportunities. And that's it for today's video. We hope that you liked the video. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up, and for more such money-making tips, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We'll see you in another video. Until then, peace.